Hello friends, today I am sharing this very easy Deepavali nail art design for very short nails. In this design I have made the flower inspired rangoli, goddess Lakshmi's feet and a diya, and these are suitable for very short nails which I am having right now. Now for the first design. First apply any light color that you have. I am using a very light cream color here, and when the polish is dry, you can use nail polish or acrylic colors and make some flowers all around as shown. This time I am not making a rounded flower, but instead using a very thin brush you can simply make some lines in the shape of a flower. I have used different colors for every flower. You can do this design by using the colors orange and yellow to denote the marigold flowers if you want, but I wanted it to be a little bit more colorful, so I used different colors. Once all the flowers are completed, let the colors dry and then you can give it a central dot. You may use a rhinestone, or like me you can simply use black acrylic color or nail polish and give a central dot on all the flowers. Once the design dries up, apply a layer of glossy top coat and your easy flower rangoli inspired Deepavali nail art design is done. This second design is goddess Lakshmi's feet, which I have done in red color. For this, first apply any dark color on your nails. I am using this glittery deep blue polish to denote the night time, because goddess Lakshmi comes during the night time. And then using white acrylic color, I made the 2 feet as shown. Using a white base over deeper polishes makes the colors pop out when you apply the other color on top of it. So next step is I am using red color to color up the feet, and if you want you can leave it as white also, because we also use ground rice to make these feet white in color. But if you want you can color it up red, because most of us make the feet red in color during Deepavali. I personally feel that the white color is far more attractive over the blue base, but I wanted red feet this time, so I am filling it up with red acrylic color. And once you finish off filling up the feet, allow the design to dry off completely, and the final step as usual is applying a layer of glossy top coat over the nail art to seal in the design. And this easy goddess Lakshmi's red feet design is also done. The third design is this very easy diya design, because Deepavali is incomplete without these earthen clay diyas. So for this also I used the cream color as the base, and then I created a diya using brown color. This is a very basic diya design which can be done easily by anyone and can be done on very short nails also, like I am having right now. So once you make the shape of the diya, all you need to do is take some orange and yellow acrylic color or nail polish to make the fire of the diya. So I used orange color as the center and I used yellow color all around it. Then I finished off the design by making some flowers all around on the lower part of the nail, and I am making some 3-petal flowers. So I created these tiny flowers on the lower 3/4 portion of the nail, leaving the cuticle area. And as I had given black dots on the flowers of my pointer finger, I also gave these flowers a black dot. And the final step as usual, once the design dries up completely, apply a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. And this very easy Deepavali diya nail art design is also done. On my thumb and little finger I used this gorgeous glittery polish, and I further topped it up with a glittery top coat, and my thumb and little fingers are too small to make any design, so this is how I painted them. And these polishes are also very gorgeous and gives the nail art a festive look. So this is the Deepavali nail art design I created this year. Wishing all of you a very happy Deepavali, and thanks for watching.